Good morning. It is 8:30 in the morning, and today I'm showing you guys my morning routine as a college student. If you guys want to see what I do in my mornings to help prepare for my classes and just my everyday life, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. And let's get on into the video. Typically, I wake up at like 8:39 because I have classes at 11. I have two classes a day, Tuesday through, oh my god, I can't. It's still too early for me to try to talk. I have classes from 11 a.m. to 2:45, so I have two classes per day from Tuesday to Friday. Excuse me, I got stuck on TikTok last night and stayed up until like 1 a.m. So I'm a wee bit tired. I slept like a baby last night because I had peach tranquility tea from, I think it was Chibana. I don't know, Starbucks has it too, but it knocks you out. And I was having a hard time sleeping, so I'm happy that I finally got like a really good night's rest in. So typically when I wake up, it takes me a second to like realize I'm even awake. So I'll go on my phone, reply to things, you know, the whole deal. And then I'll get up and brush my teeth and go to the bathroom. And then I have breakfast, and I usually will watch like YouTube or listen to music while I'm getting ready. But today I'm gonna chat with you while getting ready. I'm not a morning person, so I will literally just put headphones in and not want to socialize. But I'll be social today, just for you guys. I say let's go make some breakfast and tea because I'm hungry and I want some tea. Also, I got a haircut. Let me show you. It's gonna look a little whack because I literally slept with wet hair and I need to style it, but check. Bed is made. I'm gonna go brush my teeth and take off my pimple patches, and I will meet you in the kitchen. So I actually decided that I wasn't gonna film in the kitchen because my roommates are still sleeping and I didn't want to wake them up with me talking. But I went and made licorice root tea and then a peach chobani with oats and honey, and then actual honey. So I will usually do that, but really quick I'm gonna apply this chill mode eye patch just to kind of help my under eyes wake up for the day. Oh my god, what? My eye patch came all... okay. It was all like torn up. That was really weird. I've never had an eye patch come super torn up like that. Okay, and that was the Patchology Illuminating Eye Patches. So sometimes I'll use those while I'm eating breakfast and before I put on my makeup. Peach Greek yogurt and mix it around. Pour that in and then I'll mix that around. And then I'll take my honey and drizzle a little bit of honey over top. Like so. And that is my breakfast. Typically I'll like watch a show or listen to music. It just really helps me get like centered. When I wake up, it like gives me a second to like wake up and do my thing before I have to go to class. I'm gonna eat my breakfast and put on a video, and I'll get back to you when I start doing my makeup. Okay, I tried to adjust the lighting a little bit so you can see me a little bit clearer because I don't really have all my lights set up right now. It's time to do makeup. I threw on a headband just because with my little curtain bangs, even the clips sometimes let them slip through, so I'm just throwing this on really quick while I do my face makeup, and then I'll do my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury Crystal Elixir and go ahead and put that on my face, blend that in. I have two spots that are really inflamed right now. I've been really having a battle with my skin recently, and my skin started getting bad when I got on birth control, and then it got better, And I was like, oh my gosh, thank God, like I solved the problem. And then I came down to school and literally showered once in these showers, and it was like all hell broke loose. I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw some lines and just kind of tap that into the skin. Do you guys want to know what show I've been loving recently? Narcos. I've been watching Narcos and I have really been enjoying it. I love really like intense movies, so it's like a really good show for what I like to watch. And if some of you don't know, I am a film major in college, so TV shows and movies I typically watch a lot of, because like that's literally what I go to school for. And my roommates and I have been watching at least one horror movie every day. Like yesterday we watched 2. I think the day before we watched 2 too, but it's like we all come home from our classes and we look at each other and we're like, gym and then horror movie? And everyone's like, yes. So the first days of classes have been happening, and you know, you have to go around the room and introduce yourself and do that whole thing. A few of them have been like, what's up? Like, say your name, major, where you're from, and then like one interesting fact about you. And I typically just pick like, I'm a makeup artist, because I think people expect me to be like, oh, I want to be a director, or like all this stuff, when it's like, no, I want to be a makeup artist. But I love film, and like this is a huge part. Like I get to learn about the editing process, angles, lighting, how to set stuff up, even though I'm pretty lazy with my lighting on my YouTube channel, I'm not gonna lie. Every time that I've said that in the introduction in my film class, my professors have been like, you're a makeup artist, stay with what you're doing. We need makeup artists in the industry, especially if you can do special effects like bruises or cuts or anything. Like, we are really low on makeup artists and all this stuff. And they're like, stick with it, like you're in the right career and like all this stuff. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's actually really cool, because I never really thought about doing makeup artist for movies. I always thought about it as like, oh, my own separate career and having my own makeup brand and my own like stuff and my like own community with it, and like keeping everything pretty much on just like my social media. But I never like actually considered doing makeup for movies, and I honestly think that that would be super cool. Do you know whose makeup I would love to do? Jennifer Lawrence. I would love to do Jennifer Lawrence's makeup. Now I'm using Tristique bronzer. What would be really cool would be like working on the set of horror movies. Like, cause obviously there's makeup artists needed on the set of horror movies, because I mean, you can't tell me there is a single horror movie that doesn't have one drop of blood in it. You can't tell me there isn't a single horror movie where someone has a bruise somewhere and somewhere someone's damaged or there's something going on. I also just like love horror movies. I used to never be able to watch horror movies growing up, because my brother used to scare me at night, and I would like just be so scared, so I could never watch horror movies because it would always like worsen my fear. I never watched them. And then last year in college, I was like, okay, I'm 20 years old. I'm not scared of that kind of thing anymore. And I like started watching a ton of horror movies. Like, it was like the only thing I watched was horror and thriller. I don't even do story times now, but like if I worked in that industry, the story times I would have for you, immaculate. Of course, I'd have to wait probably until the movie came out, but again, it would be immaculate. So anyway, that's an update for me and possibly some of my career goals. We'll see, you know what, we'll see where the road takes us and what is in store, and we'll go from there. Because I have truly learned that the more that you plan for stuff and it doesn't happen, the more disappointed you get. Whereas if you're just like, you know what, this is what I'm doing right now, this is the way that life's taking me, you know, you don't really get disappointed. It's just kind of like happy benefits to life if it works out, and it makes it easier to adjust. Anyway, that's my little rant. So I finished all the fun part of the makeup, so I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyebrows and my mascara, because I really focused for that, so I'm not really gonna be able to talk. So I'll be right back with my makeup completed. Okay, so now that I've finished my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. So I'm just gonna use my straightener. I'm probably not gonna talk a lot because my roommates are sleeping and I don't wanna wake them up. So I'll probably put little descriptions and maybe play some music for you guys. It'll be nice to watch, it'll be peaceful. So let's go do that. Okay, so this is from Urban and these pants are from Urban. So it would be like this, and then I would do my mid blazers, my pink ones. So that would kind of be the fit for today. I'm thinking kind of cozy, comfy, but I honestly might switch into athletic clothes. I'm kind of feeling like I want to be comfy today because I've worn jeans the last few days. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me today. If you guys did, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, beauties.